There are signs you are a water child that no one is talking about. It is not all about dreaming of rivers, loving oceans. There are secret signals in your personality, in your destiny, even in your suffering, that shows that your water family are calling on you. You see, many water children grow up feeling different. You feel emotions deeply. Okay? You absorb other people's pain. You love fiercely, yet you are misunderstood. You don't even know why relationships break you. You don't know why you dream strange dreams, or why you feel connected to a world that others cannot see. If this message is you, this message is not a coincidence. Listen carefully through the end. You might recognize yourself. If you're just a new subscriber, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the video, comment in the comment section down below, water child, so that your water family can find you. I want to share with you in this video 3 rare signs that no one is talking about that makes you a true water child. Sign number 1, your tears are initiations. Do you know that your tears are not just ordinary tears? Water children are not, punished by emotions. They are initiated through them. Your tears are not weakness. They are activations. Yes. When your life becomes overwhelming, when betrayal comes, when love breaks you, that is when your water gift opens. You receive visions, dreams, intuitions, empathy that others cannot understand. Your emotional sensitivity is a spiritual technology. Do you know that? Sometimes you feel abandoned when you tears. Sign number 2, your dreams are messages, not stories. You see, so many people think that when they dream, they are just one of those things. They are not. If you are a water child, your dreams are not random images. The symbols you get are not random images. They are direct communication from your water family. You see, you may dream of or have dreams of drowning, then rising, or dreams of swimming freely, dreams of rivers that calls your name. You may dream of mermaid spirits. You may have a dream of a feminine voice calling my child in your dreams or by the waters. Okay? You may have so many dreams that are related with waters. Listen, those dreams are ancestral messages, not fantasies. You must understand this and not be deceived. Sign number 3. You attract people who need healing. You see, most of the times, water children attract people who need healings. Look at your life very well. Yes, you that is watching this video right now. You attract broken people. Okay? People come to you with their pain, secrets, and traumas. They feel safe around you because water itself is a healing energy. And your aura carries that medicine as a water child. Even when you are suffering, others find comfort in your presence. That is not by accident. That is lineage. That is because you are a water child. These are deep signals that you are a water child. You see, in Odinala teachings, water children belongs to Ezinụlọ Mmiri, the water family. It means your soul has a family in the water. Spirits that guide, protect, and initiate you through life experiences. Most of your life experiences are simple passage of initiations that your water family have been taking you through. Many of your battles come before awakening. You see, your emotional crisis, your intense dreams, the rejections, the spiritual attacks, confusion of identity. You see, all of these are because of your gifts that are hidden. Because your gifts are hidden inside your pain. Do you know that? Do you understand that? You must understand that water children are born with emotional intelligence. Water children are born with prophecy. They are born with intuitions. They are born with ancestral connections. But until you know who you are, those gifts feel like suffering. But when you awaken, everything changes. You see, I will tell you a secret. Most water children think something is wrong with them. They think, why am I so emotional? In fact, why do I know things I cannot explain? They think, why do people take advantage of my kindness? Why do I do good to other people and they turn out, to do the opposite side of it towards me? Why do I feel alone even in the crowd? And one day, something happens. A dream comes or a ritual comes. Okay? Or there comes a river visit. Or there's this vision that happened. And suddenly, you understand. You were never weak. You were chosen. Your sensitivity was your own initiation. If this message is speaking to you, listen, maybe your water family is calling you. You see, in Chimba Seko, we guide water children to understand their calling, unlock their gifts, interpret their dreams, and align their destinies. If you're interested with our services, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle, 09017818674. We will help you in your own path. Also, if you want to know your own water identity, the link is in the description down below. Or comment water child so your water family can find you. You see, your journey does not end here. It simply begins from this moment. Subscribe for the next video that is coming forth, which will give you a great explanation to why, water children suffer before awakening. Somebody send a message on the comment section. Why do the water children suffer? In the next video, you will understand that message deeply. Okay? And your answers are directly in the water. Thank you very much. It is all well with you. You must and surely shall live a fulfilled life, happy, joyful, and peaceful. And every good thing that is supposed to reach you will surely reach you through your water family. He said,